Alright guys, I know y'all were on here and this was the first hit of the 4 for the fourth box. I don't know what happened. It just kicked me out and stopped recording. It popped up a warning sign on my screen. So if you go to watch this on YouTube, it will be 2 videos. One first 4 boxes and then the last 4 boxes. So first hit of box number 4 is Allen Robinson Jumbo Jersey. And that's number 6 out of 50. I think we'll have to check out Breakers TV because the last 5 breaks I've been kicked out 3 times. Not sure what's going on. Alright, next we have very nice Sammy Watkins 2-colored patch auto. And that's numbered 18 of 75. Going to Buffalo. Nice hit for Buffalo. And last hit of the box, Bishop Sankey, going to Tennessee. On card, not numbered. Nice hit for Tennessee. Alright guys, box number 5. I definitely think I'm going to have to check out Breakers TV because I keep getting kicked out on Ustream. Third time in 4, 5, 6 breaks. And there's no sense in all that. Alright guys, first card, Julius Peppers, base, Carolina. And Drew Brees, base, New Orleans. And Bernard, base for the Bengals. And for the Raiders, we have Mr. Moore. That's numbered 95 out of 99. There it is, 95 out of 99. And first hit is Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. That's numbered 32 out of 122. Going to the Bengals. Alright, next up we have Allen Robinson going to the Jags. And that is our own card. Not numbered. Last card of the box is Mr. Morrow for the Jets. And that is a on card. 13 out of 50. And make sure you got plenty of room for that signature he's got there. I see some more guys are joining us. Guys, I got kicked out of Ustream for some reason. It was still broadcasting, but it wasn't recording. So if you watch it on YouTube, it will be 2 videos. And I'm pretty sure the way it usually works, the one where it kicked out that I wasn't able to save myself, Ustream will save it, but it'll be called Pick and Pull. And it should be under the one I'm going to save after this. Gang questions, guys, just hit me up on eBay. Be more than happy to help out. I do apologize, but like I said, this is the 3rd time it's happened. Alright, we have Alex Smith, base, going to the Chiefs. Next up, I always mess this guy's name up. Matatui, I believe that's how you say it, base for the Cardinals. And Patterson for the Vikes, base. And our numbered cards, Mr. Miller for Denver. 50 out of 50. Going to Denver. And the first hit is Johnny Manziel, 2-colored patch. Very nice, low numbered. 1 of 10, going to the Browns. Guys, 1 off from being a jersey number. If it had been a 2 of 10, that would have been nice. But you got the first one made. Johnny Manziel. Next, very nice looking patch. Paul Richardson. I guess you consider that a 4-color patch. 2 solid in the camo. It is not numbered. Auto patch for the Seahawks. Last hit of this box, guys, is going to Mr. Thomas, D'Anthony Thomas. On card auto for the Chiefs. It's not numbered. Still a nice hit for the Chiefs. Alright, guys, box number 7. Alright, first card is T.O. going to the Chargers, base. Mr. Manuel going to the Bills, base. For the Jets, Geno Smith, base. And Clay Matthews for Green Bay, 92 out of 99, going to Green Bay. And first hit is Mr. Clowney for the Texans, jumbo, and that is numbered 1 of 75. Going to the Texans. Looks like we got another nice hit coming up next. There we go, guys. For Tampa Bay, Mike Evans, silver auto. Going to Tampa Bay, and that is numbered 41 of 50. That's a good looking card, Tampa Bay. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Last one of the box is Devontae Adams, on card auto for Green Bay. Not numbered. Hopefully I have enough sleeves to finish this last box. Alright guys, last box, and then we will do a recap of all the hits. And buy me 30 minutes or so and I'll get it up on YouTube. And my YouTube is under Ballpark Collectibles. Just search Ballpark Collectibles on YouTube. You will see a link with a storefront on it. Click on that link, guys, and you'll find all my breaks, and they will be dated. Alright, guys, good luck, everyone. Last box. We have Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals, base. Cecil Shorts for Jacksonville, base. We have Joe Flacco for Baltimore, base. And we have Wallace for Miami. And that is numbered 72 out of 99. Going to Miami. First hit is Terrence West for the Browns, jumbo patch. And that one is numbered. Come on. 41 out of 215. I don't want to pick up. That's 41 out of 215 for the Browns. Next coming up is Mr. Jenkins auto jumbo jersey, and as you can see, it's just, it looks like there's a little orange at the bottom, so I guess that's considered a two-color patch, not numbered. And the last hit of the night, it's like Tampa Bay had a pretty good break. Mike Evans, on card auto. And that one is a decent low numbered hit. 18 out of 50. 18 out of 50 for the Bucks. Alright guys, we're going to do a quick recap and then we're going to call it a night. Alright guys, you just seen Mike Evans auto number to 50. Jenkins jumbo auto Tampa Bay. Mr. West jumbo Browns. Mr. Adams auto Green Bay. A nice silver auto Mike Evans Tampa Bay. Jumbo patch for Clowney Texans. On card auto Thomas for the Chiefs. And Mr. Richardson for Seattle. Auto patch. And for the Browns, Johnny Manziel, two-colored patch. Nice numbered low 10. Amaro on card auto for the Jets, numbered to 50. Robinson on card auto for the Jags. Excuse me. And Jeremy Hill patch, numbered to 122 for the Bengals. Bishop Sankey auto, Tennessee. Two-color auto patch for Sammy Watkins, numbered to 75 for the Buffalo. And Robinson jumbo patch, numbered to 50 for the Jags. Archer auto for the Steelers, not numbered. Amaro auto solid colored patch for the Jets. And Mr. Williams two-colored patch, numbered to 75 for the Giants. Mr. Latimer on card auto, numbered 99 for Denver. Mr. Benjamin three-colored patch auto, not numbered, Carolina. A real nice jumbo patch with the letters in it for Bishop Sankey, Tennessee, numbered to 25. Mr. Carey for the Bears, on card, not numbered. Calvin Benjamin, auto on card for Carolina, numbered to 75. And for San Fran, Mr. Hyde, two-colored patch, 75 out of 75, going to San Fran. Guys, again, thank you very much for joining me. Check out my eBay. I got some really nice cases coming up. Crown Royal, Playbook, and totally certified. And I've got a case of Spectra that should be here tomorrow. Or worst case scenario, Monday. We'll be breaking that next week. Guys, thank you very much for joining me. Y'all enjoy the rest of your evening. And hopefully I will see you guys Saturday. Oh yeah, and I also have a case of mini helmets breaking Saturday. Come check that out. That'll be fun. Alright guys, have a great night. Take care.